Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to shut down laptop using keyboard shortcut. So it is very simple. I'm using Windows 11 laptop. So this is a simple method that simply go to your desktop anywhere. You can simply press Alt plus F4. After selecting the desktop, click any area. So simply press Alt plus F4. Then you will get this page and click the OK button. Then your laptop will be go to shutdown. So this is the method. uh, Shut down your laptop using keyboard. So there is another method is that if your laptop is hanging, then you can use your power button. Just press and hold for 7 to 10 seconds. It will be shut down and it will be cause some files damage maybe. So very careful. Only do that your system is not working at all and it is hanged. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and you can press the power button to restart your PC or laptop. So this trick is work with also PCs. So you can simply press and hold your power button on your cabinet to res- restart or shut down your PCs also. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorials, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.